Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. The mystery explosion cake is trending these days, and in the video I show you how to use the cake box correctly. It's very simple, it's easy, and I'm sure it's going to add a lot of intrigue to the event you use it at. So let's get started. Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the surprise cake exploding box. Now this box comes ready-made. It comes like this. You just remove the rubber which is there and it opens up. Now once it's opened up, it comes with these wicks which are there, and it basically works on a spring, and is like once you've closed it and you burn the wick, it opens up, right? So we are going to be taking a cake board for this size and making a cake on it, which we will be keeping inside. So first we'll make the cake and then we will assemble it in the box. The cake that we have made is ready. So now we are ready to assemble the box. What we will do is we will take the rubber band, pull that apart. I will take the bowl, and in that I will put the cake. Okay, the cake is ready. I will keep it inside, and then we are ready to assemble, where we will take this. We basically need to see that all the levels are the same. Okay, now we have taken this, all the four are the same. Now just to get the center alignment, I will just use a toothpick and just get the center aligned. I will take the wick and I will put it inside and leave it like this. So your cake now is ready to be lit and to be enjoyed in a surprise form.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन, ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।